In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Omnisend and Shopify. We'll go through the entire process step by step. So by the end, your Shopify store will be successfully connected to Omnisend and ready for email and SMS marketing automations. First, open your Omnisend account and head to your main dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Then you should land on the dashboard automatically. This is the central place where Omnisend shows your campaigns, automations, and performance. And it's also where the Shopify connection starts. On the dashboard, look for the option that prompts you to connect your store or specifically to connect to Shopify. Click on Connect to Shopify. This tells Omnisend that you want to integrate your Shopify storefront so it can sync your customers, orders, and products. If you don't see the button right away, it's usually near the top of the page or within a Connect Store or Get Started section. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store page for the official Omnisend app. Here, you'll see a description of the app, ratings, and permissions it requires. Click on the Install button. At this stage, make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store in your browser, especially if you manage multiple stores. The app will automatically detect the store you're using. Shopify will then show you a permissions page asking you to confirm what Omnisend is allowed to access, like my customer data, orders, and store information. This access is necessary for Omnisend to send targeted campaigns and track results. Review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Install again to approve and complete the app installation. Once the installation is finished, you'll be taken back into Omnisend, where it may prompt you to set up your brand assets. This usually includes your logo, brand colors, and default contact details that will appear in your emails and forms. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll choose the option to do this later. However, in your own setup, it's highly recommended that you complete the branding properly. Taking a few minutes to upload your logo and set your colors will ensure that all your emails and automations look consistent and professional right from the start. At this point, your Shopify store is connected to Omnisend. Customer and order data will start syncing, and you can move on to creating sign-up forms, automations like welcome series and abandoned cart flows, and your first email campaigns.